For question 12 of our study guide, we're asked, XOR'ing 1F hex and O9X will result in which of the following hex numbers? Well, we know that a hex number is equal to 8 bits. And when we look at these, we have 4 bits here, 4 bits here, 4 bits here, and 4 bits here, which makes up an 8 total. Now, looking at this, we're going to note that in hex, we have an A, we have a B, we have a C, D, E, and F, which represents the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So 15 is what we're looking at for the first one, where we have this F. Now, we need to convert this into binary to add them. So binary equals addition, and this is what we're going to do to add them together. Now, this 15, if we convert it to binary, we know we have a 2 cubed, 2 squared, 2 1, 2 0. And this is going to be 8, 4, 2, and 1. And this will add up to 15, so we're going to have 1, 1, 1, 1. And so for here, we're going to have 1, 1, 1, 1. And then for this next one, just 1 in binary, we know that this is 1. So 1 in binary is just 0, 0, 0, and then 1. So here we have 0, 0, 0, 1. And then we have to add this, or we have to actually XOR this with the next part. So we have 9 here. Well, what's 9 in binary for converting this? So converting it to binary, we have this 2 cubed, which is 8, so we'll have a 1 here. This is too big, this is too big, and we have a 1 here. So we're going to have 1, 0, 0, 1. And then we have our 0 and 0 binary, just 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is our code. Now we can draw a table, truth table for XOR. We know we have 2 inputs, A, B. We have an output, F1. Our possible inputs are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And for an OR gate, we know that we have a 0 here and then a 1, 1, 1. So exclusive OR is going to not be the opposite of it, but the exclusive of it. So only when we have exactly this or that, not when we have like an AND here. So we have 1, 1, well this is 0 and this is 0. So when we have a 0, 1 or a 1, 0, well we have a 1, otherwise it will be 0. So we have 0, 0, 0, we'll have a 1 here, 0 here, 1, 1, 0. So now we need to convert this back into hexadecimal, because we started in hex, and the problem's asking for it in hex. So the hex for this first part, we can see is just going to be a 1. And that's because, well, 2 to the 0th is just 0, 0, 0, 1. So that's what we have here. Now we have 0, 1, 1, 0. Well, if we were to have, and I'll do this in red, 0, 1, 1, 0, we would have nothing for this first one, so 0. We would have a 2 here, and then we would have a 4 here, and then 0 here. 2 plus 4 is 6. This will give us a 6. So our answer is going to be 16 hexadecimal. 16 is going to be the 16 here, which is a C. So that is the answer to this problem.